more and more people are representing themselves pro se in litigation. Pro se means, in essence, that you represent yourself without the services of an attorney. Now, what are unbundled legal services? The easiest way to view this is if you think of an attorney representing you from the beginning of the case to the end as one big bundle of services. In this bundle are initial consultation, drafting pleadings, appearing at court hearings, appearing at depositions, assisting you at mediation, settlement conferences, preparing you for trial, preparing you for anything else that happens in your case, and finally representing you at the final hearing. What unbundled legal services is a concept that says instead of one bundle, we are taking off the wrappings around this bundle so you have all kinds of components that are free. And what that means is that attorneys where unbundled legal services have been approved may represent individuals piecemeal. In other words, attorneys may only draft a pleading for you, or they may appear at an important deposition. There are some disadvantages to this process also. One is you don't have an attorney who's assisting you from the beginning to the end with a consistent and ever-changing view of your case as circumstances change. So what in essence is happening with unbundled legal services is that you're getting one slice of advice based on a picture of your case at that moment in time, rather than getting advice based on the entire movie or the entire movement of your case over its entirety. Second disadvantage, many attorneys don't want to be involved. Third disadvantage is that it's not approved everywhere in the country. In Florida, the Florida Bar Association does approve that. The Florida Supreme Court approves it, so you can obtain unbundled legal services in Florida. But if you're located elsewhere in the country, you need to check your local bar association or your state bar association to determine whether this type of legal representation is approved. How do you best help yourself in unbundled legal services? You must always have an organized and command knowledge of your fact pattern. Best thing to do is create a timeline. Second thing, have an organized cast of characters. Who are the important players and a brief definition of what they do and how they relate to the case. This you can present to your attorney at any given time. Fourth, make sure you prioritize your issues and goals in the case. So always remember, you're generally only going to get divorced once in your life. So if you're going to use unbundled legal services, please consult or obtain the services of an experienced board-certified marital and family lawyer.